Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Last month I spent a week up in Scotland for the annual IELTS conference, and I drove up there from London with a couple of old mates of mine. On the way, we stopped over at my mum's place in Durham for a couple of hours, and while we were there, one of my old friends, John, popped into the toilet where he saw a picture of my mum, aged, I guess, 20 or 21. In the car heading north after Durham, he turned to me at one point and said, "Hey, I hope this doesn't sound too weird, but I saw that picture of your mum when she was young. She was a bit of a looker, wasn't she?" If you describe someone as being a bit of a looker or a real looker, you basically mean that you think they were very physically attractive. It's usually used for women, but not exclusively. And I guess the idea is that people like to look at you, not that you do the looking. And it may be a little old-fashioned these days. It's often used, I've noticed, when people are looking at old photographs. So, you might be sitting there with your grandparents, flicking through pictures of them when they were young, and you might say, "Oh, is that you there, Grandma? Is that you there, Grandad?" And they might respond by saying, "I know you wouldn't believe it now, but I was actually a bit of a looker in my youth. I had a whole string of admirers, I did." You might also hear it used sort of in a self-deprecating way. So you might say, for example, let's be honest, I've never really been much of a looker, but I'd like to think that I've made up for that with my personality. And sometimes it's used as a bit of a put down. So maybe there's a guy who's voicing his opinions on the attractiveness or unattractiveness, as he sees it, of particular women. And he might be sitting there watching TV, for example, saying, "God, her, I don't know what all the fuss is about. She's not exactly a supermodel, is she?" To which his daughter may respond by saying, "You're not much of a looker yourself. Have you not looked in the mirror recently?" If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use a bit of a looker or a real looker.